This luxurious townhome is nestled amongst the trees in the heart of the ever-popular Westlake neighborhood of Lake Oswego. It's perfectly move-in ready and close to the popular Westlake Park, and just minutes from Cruise Village, Starbucks, Oswego Grill, and other Lake Oswego amenities. The tri-level home bordering greenspace has the best location on the block and is surrounded by mature landscaping. The beautiful front entry leads to the inviting, spacious living room with a gas fireplace and tons of natural light. The heart of the home, the kitchen, features granite counters, pull-out features, a gas cooktop with a flat top burner, and a built-in oven and microwave. The dining room opens to the covered balcony, a relaxing space with gorgeous territorial views. Upstairs, you'll find a large loft and double doors open to the generous primary bedroom suite. The primary bath features a double vanity, soaking tub, shower, and a huge walk-in closet. You'll find a second bedroom, a full bath, and a convenient laundry room. On the lower level, the family room is ready for gatherings. Plus, you'll find a third bedroom and a third full bath. The glass slider leads to the covered patio and the hardscaped, fully fenced backyard with a water feature. Other features include a 2-car garage with overhead storage, 2-panel solid core doors, and central vac. A private and serene townhome in a coveted neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.